Hi guys, it's Russ from Hit the Trail. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and you will see all of the notifications come through when we make new videos. Anyway, let's get on with the test. So today what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the PRIMUS Lite Plus versus the Jetboil, and we're going to do a speed test on boiling half a litre of water. I haven't done this test before. I don't know how it's going to go. I think I know how it's going to go, but anyway, let's put half a litre of water in here. There we go, and half a litre in here. There we go. So you probably know how it's going to go. I have my suspicions to how it's going to go, but we'll see. So let's get on with the test and then we can chat whilst we're doing it. I've got a stopwatch here. Can't light them both at the same time, so I will do them as quickly as I can. So first we will light the PRIMUS and then we will light the Jetboil. Here we go. So I've started the clock. Okay, so one noticeable difference straight away, and that is that the Jetboil is much noisier. I'm going to put this here so you can see it. Yeah, so like I say, in comparison, the Jetboil is much noisier than the PRIMUS. So if you're out in nature and you want to keep quiet, that is not the way to go. However, Jetboil is all about speed, as we know, and let me turn this around so that you can see it getting hotter. Jetboil is all about speed, as we know. My suspicion is that the Jetboil is going to be quicker. However, I love this little PRIMUS. This probably is one of my favourite backpacking stoves. I took this to Iceland last year, and I used it for 10 days, every day, multiple times in the day, and I just love it. I love everything about it. I love this casing around it. I love the handle. I love the flexibility of it, the fact that you can actually cook a meal on it. If you want to put a pot on the top of it and actually cook pasta, you can. You can turn this thing down and you can simmer, which I've never been able to do with the Jetboil. As you can see, the Jetboil is racing. It's really getting warm there now. So I can see I've got steam starting to come through from the Jetboil. I don't actually have any steam yet here on the PRIMUS. Let's have it there. But I love this. I think it's great. I think it's wonderful. You can get these sleeves in different colours. This is made from G1000 fabric. This is sustainable. I'm using Jetboil gas on both. These are two brand new cans of Jetboil gas. Look at the steam coming out of the Jetboil right now. That has got to be boiling. That is boiling. What have we got there? We've got 227. Maybe I wasn't quite right on that, but look at that go now. I mean, that is flying ahead. If you want speed, then that Jetboil is definitely the way to go. However, now I don't have to shout because this little one is still going, but we can actually talk. It's quieter, but it's not boiled yet. Let's have a quick peek. No, I'm not going to take the lid off. There's no steam coming out yet. What time are we on? Oh, we're just over 3 minutes. I was really hoping we were going to do it within the 3 minutes. PRIMUS say 3 minutes for half a litre. We are, yeah, I do have bubbles inside, I can see them. Here comes the steam. What are we on? We're on 3 minutes 22, 23. The steam's there, the water's boiling. Let's just stop that clock. So what were we? We were probably we were probably about 320. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt. However, as we saw, the Jetboil really won the race. What would I buy if I had the choice? Do you know, I think I'd buy the Primus still. I think I still would buy the Primus. But if you want speed, if you want efficiency, if you want to go quick, then I guess it's going to be the Jetboil. But I'm going to buy the Primus. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been great seeing you. Please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, drop us a comment. If you've used this, if you use this, let me know what your feedback is. See you in the next one.